Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm just gonna give you guys a little quick and short video because your girls doesn't have too much strength to do too much video this time. So today I'm gonna be showing my sister, my little sister, this Oibo girl. I'm gonna be showing her a little bit Basel. So I'm gonna change her face and I'm gonna bring her to see a little bit of my city, my beautiful city. So let's do it.